Hello and welcome. I'm Linda Hall, and today I'd like to do the first in a series of simple meditation practices that can easily be incorporated into your day-to-day life to help you manage your sense of well-being and stress levels. And we're starting with centering. Now, physics tells us that energy follows attention. So where your mind goes, you're quite literally sending out your lifeblood energy towards that thing, that place, that person, that concern, that worry, which leaves you off balance and scattered. This exercise helps you draw those lifeblood energies back home to your center. It will help balance you, make you feel more secure and grounded, and it will give you more access to your inner resources. So let's start by just getting yourself comfortable. It's better to do this practice sitting upright rather than lying down. So when you're ready, allow your eyes to close. We're going to incorporate some grounding and breath awareness into this practice as well. And come down into your body's weight and volume and the movements your body makes as you breathe. Noticing the contact directly beneath your body with the surface supporting you. And give more of your weight to its support. As you do so, begin to slow your breath down and allow it to lengthen. And breathe out in a long sigh, if you like, through your open mouth down the full length of your body. Allowing your body to soften and release what it's brought with it here and no longer needs to carry. Let it flow out of you and away. In your own time, become aware of the sensation of air entering your nostrils and leaving. Notice the air is cool as it enters, warm as it leaves. And that you're breathing in from the space around you and out into it. Noticing the movements your body makes as you breathe, the expansion of the in-breath, the release of the out. Notice that inner stretch of the in-breath as your shoulders, chest, and thorax open to receive. Notice how the out-breath is the body's natural relax. You can breathe out down the full length of your body once again, if you like, releasing yet more of what it's been holding and no longer needs to carry. Letting it flow out and away. In your own time and when you're ready. Draw your lifeblood energies back in from in front of you. There's no need to try hard, just having the intention is enough. Just sense drawing yourself back home to your center. Your center being somewhere between and including your chest and your belly. You can do this quite quickly. Now draw yourself back in, back home from behind you, back to your center. Draw yourself back in from one side of you, back home. And now the other. Draw yourself back down from above you, back in to your center. And draw yourself back up from below you, back in to your center. Breathe into your center and feel your lifeblood energies there within you. Now, notice the touch of the air on your face and body. Notice there's an outside of you in the room, in your environment. And that there's an inside of you where your center and your lifeblood energies reside. And sit back into your center, on to the steady support beneath you. And let everything around you sit back from you. Allowing your system to settle. And come back to the sensation of air entering your nostrils and leaving when you're ready. Notice the contact your body's making with the surface directly beneath you. Notice the steadiness of ground meeting your body's weight. Make your connection to ground. Breathe with the steady energy of the earth. You can breathe it up into you if you like. To steady you even more. Breathing it into your center. And in your own time, notice you're breathing in from the space around you and out into it. Noticing you're here in this moment. And in your own way, you can draw this meditation to a close. Just opening your eyes when you're ready and noticing what it feels like to be sitting back in your center. The steadiness of ground supporting you. And everything else sitting back from you a little. I hope you've enjoyed this practice and found it helpful. Go well.